going on, you guys? It is your boy, the American Motorsports fan, Eric Ringel here, and we're back with a reaction video. Now, there's one type of motorsports that I've wanted to get into for a little while, and that's the World Rally Car Championship. Now, I've seen bits and pieces of it. I've never actually had a chance to sit down and watch it. Here in the United States, it's not very big, and it's not carried on any of the major sports channels. So I really haven't been able to actually sit down and watch it for a long period of time. But I thought, why not react to, there's a video that I saw online. It's called This is Rally 18. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you guys if you guys just want to watch it without my commentary. I'll leave that down in the description. But I wanted to react to some of the best scenes of rallying. And so we're going to react to this video. This is going to be really kind of my first opportunity to really get into the World Rally Car Championships. And so let's get into this video. Let's watch it right now. Whoa! Holy shit! That is, oh my God, that was crazy. I know I've said some that, you know, like the motorcycle racing from the Isle of Man is Isle of Man is crazy, but this is another type of crazy right here. Whoa! Jam! Holy crap! Like, drifting around that corner, that was so badass to see. Like, just flying straight and then just being able to get that car to drift around that next corner. Like, that was badass. That's just so impressive. Did he almost hit that guy? Hold on, he almost hit the camera guy. Boy, was that camera guy lucky or what? Like, oh my God, he just barely got cleared. Look at that. Oh. That's so, like, that just takes so much skill to make a turn around a hairpin corner like that, and to take it the way he did. That's some skill right there. Like, oh, what? Lost something off the back end of that car. Went deep, went literally 2 wheels into the grass and was able to keep control of that. Jeez. Like, that takes some real amazing steering to be able to keep control of that. All the cameras set up there. Whoopsie! Did somebody forget to give him a direction that there was a cliff right there? Oh my God. Is that really safe for your car tumbling to put your arms and hands up against the roof like that? If you're big into rally car, let me know. Like, I can't imagine that is the safest thing to do, is put your arms up against the roof of the car. Like, I feel like that's just asking for a massive injury to occur. Thank God the crew is okay. what a save! My God, those were some nice saves right there. My God. Like, it's just so impressive to watch. Like, just to see, you know, the amount of control they have over that car and to just be able to take corners at such high rates of speed. Like, that blows my mind. Like, just watching those cars, and they make it look so effortlessly, you know, rounding those corners. Ooh, that I will say that's one thing I have noticed a lot in rally is that animals are in the road a lot. Whoopsie. Okay, that's pretty cool. Like, look at that. Wow. I feel like that was a show run right there for that crowd, for like the crowd around the track. Just a really cool, like, drift into that corner, stop, and then go again. Oh! Oh my God. How lucky were those fans? Like, oh my God. Like, and I've said it even in the Isle of Man videos, like the spectators have got a set of balls on them just as much as those drivers for being as close to the track as they are. In rally car, they're just as close there. Jesus. Wow. I bet every one of them had to change their pants after this. Wow. So cool. So cool. Just one right after the other. What a save! I don't know if that was a save or that was just such skillful drifting right there. Whoa! What the frick are all those fans doing? What the frick are they doing? Do they all have, like, I know you want to see the car and I know you want to see how well they're driving, but like that is, like, I can't imagine ever doing that and putting myself that close to a track that, like, all it takes is for a wheel to come off, something to just dart out in the road, and like oh my God. Good Lord. Jesus. Oh, nice. Oh, listen to that. That engine sounds... Oh, we gotta go back. That engine sounds beautiful right there. Sorry, I had... Oh, that engine. Very nice. Kept it upright and didn't flip it. That's awesome. That is so awesome. Man. Racing in this... Okay, racing on the snow. I grew up in Chicago initially, and, like, I remember when I was getting to the age of driving, like, I wanted to take my car to an empty parking lot when it really, really snowed and do exactly that right there. Like, I just remember, like, that looks like so much fun to drive it on the snow like that. That would be so cool. Oh, tore the tailpipe off, it looked like. Wow, those fans again. Extremely lucky. Oh my god. Question, do they not have like marshal posts along in World Rally Car? Like, I can't imagine that, like, he wasn't aware that this was that this hazard was coming up. Like, I mean, I guess that's a part of it. Like, you know, you go over all this terrain and whatnot. So I guess that could, maybe that's just a thing. They don't warn them about that stuff. Oh, nice. Didn't end up in that ditch.
Hole 60, slow 6 right cuts, break into bad kick, and left tighten short 4 past bush. Left tighten short 4 past bush, and bumpy narrow still 90.
That's another thing that's so amazing to me is those direction, like, they're literally like in sync, and like just him reading those directions out and the guy knows exactly what to do. Like that's another one of those that's, I think, a really cool thing in rally car. Oh my god, dude, how are you that bad at driving? Look at that. I've never seen anybody run across the road almost shitting their pants as fast as those guys did. As soon as that car got into the grass just a little bit, like they could not have run faster across the street. Oh god, look at all the dust he's kicking up. Wow. You could tell it hadn't rained there in a while. The amount of dust. That's a really cool looking car. Really cool looking. Oh, crashed it right into the crowd. My god. Thank God everybody got away, and it seems like, at least. Absolutely gorgeous looking there. To give the fans a little bit of a show and do a donut there. Very nice. Wow. If that is rallying, oh my god, I'm going to be looking forward to watching more of that and reacting to more of that. Like, that is really cool. But guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about the WRC rallying in general, rally cars and rally championships that are out there. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and also let me know what you guys would like me to react to next. Guys, also, please hit that like button for me. It helps out get this video out to more and more motorsports fans. So by you hitting that like button, it pushes it out into the algorithm. So please help me out and hit that like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. We're way over 500 subscribers. We're now on a goal to 1,000 subscribers. So please help me out and hit that subscribe button. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And guys, for the American Motorsports Fan, I'm Eric Ringel, signing off.